يمكن guys, ready?
Ready.
Okay, this one of the emails which I'm sending to the ISP to prepare the point-to-point link. After I contact those the IT person from there, from Click Company, we got to know that they don't have any kind of fiber, so we ask for 4G link from Fasttelco. Also, I asked the same from Be Online. Look here, we usually give a name, give the mobile number, the contact. Here you can give the address also. And once they are done, we will start send to the subscriber all information. Here in this email, you can add this one missing some information because I can do it later, no problem. But from your side, better to avoid any delay, you can add the LAN IP which we talk about, one of those subnets. You can add it here so they can prepare it in the router direct. Okay. Another thing, you can add also the address, the location for the company. Uh, Here they have the contact here. They can contact the customer direct and know the location. But better to put all information to avoid any call or something from the subscriber itself to asking for what is the location, what is the company, what will be the LAN. Better to provide all information here. Okay. The services which when we send email to the subscriber, you have to provide the subscriber with his subnet, which you decide to provide him, which is already configured on his routers. you have to provide to the subscriber, I mean the LAN subnet. Also, to provide the subscriber with those services, those signet services, those 4 services related to Silverblade. Whatever you see P like this for production, T for test. This means this one FTP production, this one FTP test, this one web production, this one web test. And those the IPs. Whatever you see subnet like 10, 11, 12, this is related to subscriber. Subscriber is using this kind of subnet to reach our services here in Signet. And this subnet will not work at all except using the point-to-point link. And it will work through point-to-point link. What else? What kind of services we have? We have this service desk. This is the we have a lot of other services, but not all subscribers using. Maybe specific subscribers are using like digital consent, CPK, or we have some. Rafiq, do we have any other subnets rather from this one, 10, 11, 12? Service desk, and this is for analytics, Vladimir team system, and we have server blade.
So Raouf, I
Eh,
will share all of them. SD, SCII, SB, FTP, I will share all of them, or depending on the
um,
service.
You can find it in our sheet.
for sure, server blade and service desk. We don't send usually Vladimir system because not all of them subscribed with Vladimir system. Got it?
So the regular, let's say a bank. Okay, what do we share?
Server blade, those 4, and service desk.
Okay, SD and the below SB, FTP, and SB
Yes,
web,
this is the default.
SBT web. Okay, so
Yes.
this is the default.
Yes.
CII unless the customer bought the module and he wants to use it. But if he wants to use the CII, I have to provide also the service disk, right?
Yes. Server disk by default with the Silver Blade. خلاص. For anyone. But if they subscribe with Vladimir system, we have to provide him this.
We don't provide him also with the SD.signet?
We provide. That's why I put SD here. Those 5 by default, you have to send to any new subscriber.
Okay.
Okay. If this new subscriber in future subscribe with Vladimir system, so we have to provide them this.
Okay, but if the user subscribe to Vladimir system, I have to provide with this one CII and SD.signet also, right?
Why you are yani, by default this user, if he subscribed with Vladimir system before that one, he already subscribed with this.
Okay, he could not subscribe only with Vladimir. He used okay.
Yes, no, because no one will go to the Vladimir system without Silver Blade. And by default, خلاص, since he joined Signet and he signed the contract, we send them, we send the company those services.
Okay, tamam.
Okay, let's show you something here in the sheet. This is all our subscribers. This is our aggregation router, which is in the primary site. Here, Signet office, head office. Here in our company here, we have a router same as subscribers. We installed because we have to like simulate the traffic and simulate the connection like subscribers. Any problem with the connection, any delay, anything, we can feel it same as subscriber. We don't access internally direct to the server. No, we access through this point-to-point link. Okay, here you will find all our subscriber who is subscribed with Signet. We usually put the name. This something fancy, and we just take it, but it's not important that much. But it will be easy for you to speed up the process with the provider if you give him the backbone interface direct. This is the interface for the subscriber. No need to give him IB, and he will take 5-6 minutes to search about it and check the, That's why I add the backbone tunnel here. Once you get official email from customer service, as I show you that we have a new subscriber like this, and you start configuring the point-to-point link, and the ISP configured already the point-to-point link, you will ask the subscriber, sorry, the ISP, or you will access the router by yourself and take those information. The backbone port, you will take the one subnet, and also here the serial number for the router.
Mhm.
Anything else, it will be filled by you. Whatever you see here, one router only is a fiber. Two router like this is 4G. Because mainly we provide for them this router, as if he will connect the fiber, he will connect to the router direct. But if he doesn't have fiber, he needs a 4G router to be connected to that router also. So whoever ask for a 4G or installed 4G connection, he should or the company should have two routers like this, the main router and the 4G one. Okay.
Can you
And
explain
as
again why he has Cisco router and 4G router at the same time?
okay, if we say they have Cisco router only, you know, Cisco router, it has the Ethernet port, and that's it. How it will connect over 4G. So we provide 4G connection to it. Got it?
Yes, yes.
Be online. They have one router with two antenna. It's already built-in Wi-Fi inside it. SIM card. You can insert SIM card inside the router itself. So no need for two routers. But fast telco, they don't have that version, or that version is very old and we don't want to use it. But in future, you can ask Orido to bring like Huawei with two antenna, anything else. But this is what we decide with them long time back to in the contract to have those kind of routers. Then Ali.
تمام.
So mainly we have this router for fiber, which is Cisco ISR 4221. Why we have this one? Because it has Ethernet. We will connect the fiber to it, and that's it. But what if the customer doesn't have fiber? We will use the Cisco. Now maybe you will tell us why we don't use 4G direct, because we cannot use the same configuration here. Whatever we can put in Cisco to put it on the normal 4G router. So we use 4G router as extra device connected to the Cisco router to be the gateway to the subscriber, to the ISP. So the subscriber can reach the ISP side. Okay. For the point-to-point in general, this aggregation router for fast telco, we have it on our primary site. Same router, same configuration, but from Be Online side, it's already installed in Shaiba. So we have two ISPs, Fast Telco in our primary site, and Be Online in Shaiba data center. The same we have for internet, for PASI, for anything. We have whatever we installed in the primary site, we have the same on the DR site, except the GCC network. We have a gateway to GCC network through CAN or Kate. This is related to connection between all credit bureaus in Gulf countries. This is, we have only one connection from the primary site. We have totally isolated cabinet. For Kate has isolated firewall, isolated switches, and connected to the CAN, which will provide us like with connection with Bahrain, KSA, Oman, Qatar, all GCC countries. And we take uplink or cable from this firewall to our internal network here, so we can reach it. and it's high available, full redundant, active. In case one switch is down or one firewall is down, the other one will work automatically from the Kate side. And for your information, also the point-to-point, if subscriber using fast telco and be online on the same time, it will work because our system is active, so they can reach us from the primary site or DR site on the same time for those two routers. Yani, I mean, for example, this Click company. It's a very small company and they have two PCs, and we give them two routers, one from Fastelco, one from Be Online. They can connect one PC with Fastelco and one PC with Be Online, and both of them can work on the same time. Okay, and some companies, they are using Be Online as a backup, but they keep it standby. They don't use it. They usually use everything with Fastelco. In case Fastelco is down, they will use Be Online. They don't use them at the same time. Okay. Okay, the second step here after preparing the point-to-point, send official email to subscriber with all manuals. I have to send him FTP details, the BGP manual, everything, and the LAN IP, which I told you about, and the SIGNET services, which is 10, 11, 12, which I told you to create DNS on their end. After that, after he get the manual for BGP, he has to create the BGP from his end. Let's go to this BGP part. Any file exchange to exchange any file between SIGNET and their and our subscriber, all files should be encrypted. So SIGNET has its own BGP, and the subscriber will create his own BGP with a specific name. You will see it in the manual. If we open the manual, you will know how it will be like this: subscriber ID underscore the short name for this company. When CS team when CST team send new subscriber, you will find this shortcut or short name for subscriber already mentioned, like this one, subscriber name ENT. So the BGP key will be 6923 underscore ENT. Got it? Let me show you something else. Anyhow, if even if they forgot to mention this in the email, you can ask CS team. They will bring it from the system and provide it to you. Also, you can ask the database team. They will provide it to you. Look here, when Ali sent the email, he sent the short name. So the BGP key name, which subscriber will create from his side and send it to us, it should be like 6915 underscore CTG. Okay. Why we need those two keys? SIGNET has its own key, and we already published with all our subscriber through the FTP. Each subscriber has their own ID here You should have a list with subscriber ID, like 1001 is MBK, 2 is CBK, 3 is GBK. Okay. Each subscriber has a unique ID. If we go here and we go to BGB, this is signed key. Every subscriber, when you access the folder, you will see a lot of folders here. You will see BGB folder. If you open, you will see signed key here. We put it here, the subscriber will access and take this key and install it at his end. All this is mentioned in the BGB key, BGB key guide, the BGB guide or manual. He will take the IFF, the BGB key and install it from their end. So on daily basis, all IFF files, once it's done and created, they will encrypt it with signed key and send it to us. Our system will use this key to decrypt the files which is coming from the subscriber and import it to our database. What if the subscriber asks for a report from the signed system? They will ask through the web. The request will go to the BI system. The BI system will generate the report and put it on the FTP. So the subscriber, like MBK, for example, will come here and access, will go to the HO patch report output. He will find whatever whatever the subscriber ask for a report from the website. He will find it here. So he will come here and take it. For example, this just created 2-3 days back. He will take all this, he will download all those 4 folders and decrypt it with his own key. So now Signet has the key from the subscriber side and it's already imported to our system. And I will show you now how to import the key from the subscriber side once he's done from his side. Now we create point-to-point link. They know about the links, the services, Signet services and IPs and everything, and we give them the guide and they start creating the BGB from their end. Once they create the BGB, they have to come here to the FTP and upload the key here. You will come here and take the subscriber key, which is 4 numbers underscore 3 letters. You will take it and import it in 4 servers. BI1, BI2, and Vladimir 2 servers, 2 systems. Okay. And I will show you now how to import it there. For example, we had an issue before maybe 5 or 6 days back with Al Masila, and they have created the new key from their side. Let me save this for you. Before this, let me access the FTP first and show you before we forget this to how to. You aware about this, Rakesh, correct?
Yes, Mr. Raouf.
For creating the new user and
Yes.
assigning the permissions.
Yes. This is the FTP server. For your information, we have two servers for FTP, and there is a cluster between them. This cluster is working like active passive. So now this one, 01 is the active one, and 02 is passive. So 02 is not working now, and the cluster here is pointing only to FTP1. Automatically, if the server 101 is down, everything will be shifted automatically to server 2. Even no one maybe will not feel this unless we check in the monitoring system. Look, this one is pointing to SFTP01, and we have two nodes, 01 and 02. This is the cluster between the two servers. We make it actually high availability since this is very critical and sensitive service. Make sure, number one, for any reason, if the server is started, you have Windows update, you have anything, make sure you have this two drives working on the server. Sometimes this one is working here or appear or visible here, and the second drive is still on the other server. To move it from there and bring it here, you have to restart the other server. It will come here automatically. This kind of
رؤوف بس قبل
هلا.
ما تكمل can you repeat again please.
We have a cluster between FTP1 and FTP2. Okay. This cluster is using something named shared drive. Those drives are not there on the server locally on the server itself, and the FTP02 has another two drives. No, those two drives are a shared drive already from our storage, SAN storage, and it's already shared between the two servers. In case the server is down, those drives will move automatically to the FTP02. Okay, sometimes not both or the old drives moved automatically there. One of them will stay here and one will be moved. So in that case, to make sure that all drives moved, you have to restart that server so it will move to the second server. Okay.
Okay.
One of those drives has the full configuration for the FTP. If you access here, you will see all configuration related to FTP. Okay.
Okay.
AFT root, signet, user, this path. Whatever here, forget about last two. That's just a template or something. We don't use it. I don't know why development team they ask for this current account. This is for commercial. This is for bounce check. This is for BMPL. This is for consumer. So we make each folder for a specific service. This one for consumer, this one for BMPL, bounce check, commercial, current account. Okay. For example, there is a new subscriber. Forget about current account bounce check because we already created, and I believe no one is using unless Pleasant sent you email to create user on bounce check or current account for a specific subscriber. But mainly we have three services: commercial, PMPL, consumer, and in future, inshallah, you will see telecom. Here we will add telecom, another folder. It has full subscriber. Why we make this? Because each module of this has its own access. We have some subscriber, they have commercial, but they don't have consumer. We have subscriber, they have both consumer and commercial. We have PMPL only, you know. So we make it in separate folders. If we access to the consumer, you will see all subscribers here. If you access to the commercial, we will see the same. Okay. Let's take a look on subscriber or the folder structure itself. For example, this one. Anything here, this is the main one. usually we take like this. For example, we have a new subscriber. Forget whatever we have here. Usually I go to any subscriber, take copy from the subscriber, copy, paste. It gives you a copy like this, okay?
With the folder structure.
Yes. XXXX, for example, I give it same number which I got from the customer service, the 4 numbers. What is it? Do you still want to merge this with this? No.
There's already folder exist in there.
Really? Oh, okay. Uh, okay. Now we take copy. Once we take copy from this subscriber, make sure this folder is clean from any old logs, from any old reports, because it has some data related to the other subscriber. Why we take copy? To make sure that we have the same structure, same everything. Okay, we will exit BGB, it's clean. You can put here only sign it key, but don't put the key for the other subscriber here. Only sign it key. Sign it key is something published. We give it to all subscribers so they can use it from their end. PASI authenticator, and you will go here to the patch report, output. Any report here you have to remove. Clean anything old. Data error, matching, remove. Validation, remove. Remove anything old. Okay. That's why from beginning here outside, I make already template. It's better to take it from here. We have this HO and this one. This is very, very simple, but let me make it easy for you. We need passive authenticator. We need PGP. We need data share. This one, no.
So, Raouf,
Hello.
when you just finish, I have a question.
Once you finish what?
I have a question.
Yeah, yes, sure.
So
Guys,
yeah,
this is the temporary or the template for any new subscriber. You can take copy from here. Don't take copy from the other subscriber and keep cleaning, and you maybe by mistake you will forget anything private data or something from the other subscriber. So use that one and just change the name for the 4 numbers. I mean the subscriber ID. Okay. Yes, Ali, go ahead.
hey. So after the previous steps, I go to this server, I go to the drive, the E drive, the cluster, and I go to the root DIR, which is the subscriber.
DIR, this is the consumer. Before you start creating anything, you have to ask customer service, this subscriber consumer, commercial, or both, or BNPL.
لحظة or commercial or BNPL, either consumer, commercial, or BNPL, right?
Yes, for example, big banks, they are working consumer and commercial.
Okay.
We have some small companies, they are working consumer only. We have some subscribers, they are working commercial only. And we have also new subscribers, they are working BNPL like Dima, Tally, whatever.
Okay. So if he is a consumer,
we will go here to root DIR.
To root DIR. If he
I
is
don't
commercial,
know why the name like this, but this is for consumer.
Yeah.
It should be at least root cons, for example.
Okay. If consumer, go to root DIR. If subscriber,
No, subscriber themselves, maybe it will be consumer or commercial or BMBL.
اوكي اذا اف
انت
كوميرشال.
لازم تعرف الموديول بتاعه ايه، او هو مشترك معانا بناء على ايه.
صح.
هيقدم لنا الداتا بتاعت مين، بتاعت الكونسيومر ولا بتاعت الكوميرشال، بنو يعني الشركات وكده، ولا شغال BMBL اللي هو باي ناو باي ليتر.
حلو.
بناء عليه
اف
بتدخل
ايه،
تعمل كرييشن للفولدر في
انا عشان الفولدرز اعرفهم، عرفت اف كوميرشال
مظبوط.
تو روت دي اي ار
اهو
اندرسكور كوم.
اللي ما فيش بعد الدي اي ار حاجه، ده الكونسيومر.
اوكي
BMBL واضحه، والكوميرشال واضحه
اوكي
COMM. الباونس تشيك ده اللي هو CHQ والكرنت اكاونت، ما يعني انا من ساعه ما كريتناهم مره واحده، وبعد كده ما ضفتش حد عليهم خالص، ما حدش طلب مني حاجه، فاهم.
اوكي
تقريبا بقت حاجه سيستماتيك هم بيعملوها من عندهم وخلاص، بتحصل جوه واحنا ملناش دعوه بيها يعني. بس mainly احنا بنستخدم دول. وas I told you in future maybe it will the fourth folder will be created here for telecom.
اوكي زين.
So as I
let
told you, the first thing to come here to this path and take copy from the template here and whatever it's consumer, I will go here. BMBL, I will go here. Commercial, I will go here. Then after I go here, I put the folder, paste the folder here, and change the name to the subscriber ID. That's it. You finish this, you will open the application here for FTP. Now it's the time to create the user. Now we create the folder itself, which subscriber once he connect, he will access. I mean the home or the root folder will be this folder which we create for him. Now we will create the user that he will use to access to the server.
انا رؤوف وقفت لما creation folder, creation of the folder based on the name. There is a
Yes.
sequence I follow, or
No,
what exactly?
no.
ايه
You will take from customer service email. I told you
Okay.
most important thing, this email. Look, everything, whatever you need for point-to-point link, for FTP, for BGP, for anything, you will take it from here.
Okay.
You need the company name and you need the location and the IT contact person to create the point-to-point link, whatever with subscriber and ISP. You need the short name and the subscriber ID to create the BGP. You need subscriber ID to create the FTP access, and to create the folder also with the same name. You need this is the most important thing to start. And as I told you from beginning, it's very important to get such email and make sure it's approved from our company, from the legal, from CEO, everything is fine, to get official email like this to start preparing the point-to-point and give access to subscriber to sign it system. Okay, this is the system. If you see here, whatever any folder here, it's the same as we see here under AFT root. Anonymous, then, sorry. Anonymous, pen, incoming, pub, user. Frankly, I don't know what this is configuration for the FTP, something for the application itself. But usually, as I told you, we go to users here, you will see the consumer BMBL commercial. Also, we'll do the same here. You will see consumer BMBL commercial. For consumer, we are using, those are the folder, okay? Anything under VFS, those are folders which we created. You have two options: to create whatever we create before 2 minutes ago here, or you can, it's easy for you to come here and create it direct. And you can come here and take copy from the template, and you can do whatever you did from the C drive, from the E drive, you can do it from the application here itself. Okay. Now we will go to the user part. Sign it, user setting template, then default settings. It will open all users we are using to access the FTP. Fine. Those users are mixed. Commercial, consumer, BNPL, everything. Okay, and there is some subscriber, they have as I told you, they have one for consumer, one for commercial. We have customer service here, Ali consumer, Ali commercial. We have CPK accounts, الصايغ الصواغ المنافي الحميضي and
So Raouf,
yes.
first thing you when you launch the application, you want to map the share folder, right? The map the folder
No,
that
no,
we
no, I didn't do anything yet. I'm
okay.
just giving you overview here. First thing, you have to come to the users here to create a user. Because
Okay.
you already create the folder. But why I opened this VFS? Because this is the same structure which you work on already here. So I'm saying, like, instead of coming here and create the folder, you can create it from here also. Got it?
Okay,
It's
and
the
the
same
folder
idea.
okay, and the folder has the subscriber information, right?
Yes, yes, it's the same.
Okay, the share folder, because I'm writing, the share folder has the subscriber information.
What do you mean by shared folder?
Sequence that you created. Go back to the share folder, please.
No, this is not a shared folder. This is
I know for
E
the
drive.
application. Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Okay, so go to root dir for the
Yes.
yeah, consumer. Okay, the 1101 is subscriber IDs, right?
Yes, this is MBK.
Okay, so go 11001. If a new subscriber, what information I will put inside, or just an empty?
No. It's look. Now we got request from the customer service that we have new subscriber.
Okay.
The new subscriber which the email sent for, you will not see his ID here. That's why we are coming here and create a new folder for them. How we will create a new folder and what kind of folders or type of folders or information has to be inside that new subscriber folder. So I create template for you. Just take copy from this one and put it in consumer commercial PMBL based on the customer service email. Then change the name to the subscriber ID which is provided by email.
للحين ما فهم
Okay.
انا اسف انا جدا اسف
No problem. We got such email from customer service.
تمام.
Okay. Create new subscriber. His name is Click. This is the ID for them. Here it's clearly mentioned it's consumer. So now the module for this subscriber is consumer. Now I know the ID and I know the name and I know it's consumer. I will go to the FTP. You have two options: to create the folder from here or to create it from the Explorer itself.
I want to create it from the Explorer itself.
Okay, we'll go to the E drive, EFT, sign it, user. Now we have all those modules. It's
I will
clearly
go to the
mentioned.
commercial. Yes.
Ahsant, the first one. Okay. What is the ID? Now the folder is not here. Before to access inside, take copy from that folder. Temp FTP folder. Okay.
Okay.
I took copy. I will go to the dir, paste. Now it's here. I have to change the name with subscriber ID, which is ZZZZ.
Okay.
Because the subscriber is already exist here, I don't want to make conflict. So I will choose like 4 Z's. Okay.
Okay.
And now this is the folder is ready. Everything is ready for subscriber as a folder only. Now I will create the user and map it to that folder.
Okay.
So I have to open that application from the desktop. I will go to servers. All users are here. Right click here on default settings. New user. What is the ID? Z. Password. You can put any password. You can generate one like this. I will take copy. So here we'll just put the username, which will be the subscriber ID, like 6915. Okay, but I don't want
Okay.
any conflict. I'll make it for these and generate
Okay.
to make the password. Then
Okay.
next. Here I will map that user to the folder. What will be the home folder for that user? So I'll press
Okay.
here and go to the same place, same location, which is Dyer, which is
Dyer,
consumer.
consumer.
Then check what is the Z.
Which one's easy? The one I
Yes.
copied the temp inside. Okay.
Yes.
Hmm.
Where did I create in commercial or consumer?
You created, I think, consumer. Root dir, the normal one. Root underscore dir. Yes. Yes.
No, maybe I have to refresh.
Yeah.
Okay.
ايوه كه موجود.
Right click, new user. We said the, and this is the password. Again, we will go here. This is the home folder. Okay. Here we have to remove this. So it will be like this user root dir Z. So once the customer will access with username Z and with password to our FTP server, it will open direct to this folder Z.
Okay.
Then next, no any change. Now the user is created here. Let's test. Why?
رؤوف حبيت زعبوط الرفيع مع العفريت.
سوري بقول لك ده كنا بنستخدمها تستات اي حاجه يعني صعبة العصر.
مبين تستي.
طيب to connect to Signet FTP you can use any FTP client. Even you can access the FTP through browser HTTPS. SP FTP.signet. We can put here Z and the password is such file there. Okay. I missed one step. Sorry. Now we create the folder. We create the user, and the map will be like this. You will go to the folder here with the user dir. You will go to the Z. Okay. You will give permission. This is the default permission. Upload, download, create folder, show. Last two show. Okay. Then apply.
دقيقة بس خليك اكتبها permission
Take
upload
screenshots.
download show parent list show files and folder and list. Let me take screenshot. Okay, continue. تمام.
Look here, it opened direct to the home folder, which we already create. So they can do whatever they want here. Or they can use FTP client like this.
Okay.
Look, PGP authenticator, it show everything is here also. Okay. Now the customer or the subscriber will create all this and he will be able to access the FTP. Once he is able to access the FTP, you will ask him, please access the PGP folder and put your key here. So you can take it and download it. Not from the application, but we will access the server itself and go to his folder and take it from there. For example, the one which we did on 1st of August, that one, PGP, this one. Okay. I asked Al Masila company before 1 week back, they have an issue and they create a new key and they place it here. Okay. This is what I will do now. I'm closing everything. I will access the path for that subscriber, which is consumer, then ZZZ, sorry, 2174. Then I will go to BGP, take copy from that key. Okay. As I told you, for BGP, we have to import it in 4 servers. BI1, BI3, and the 2 servers for Vladimir, DBI SQL1, DBI SQL2. Why we are putting for or place it on those folder or to import, to those 4 servers? 2 of them which BI related to the server blade. Server blade is creating reports and sending to the subscribers. So they have to decrypt it with their key. Also, Vladimir from his side, sometimes he's sending reports to the subscriber related to the analytics. They have to decrypt it also with their key.
Mr. Raouf, even if the subscriber was not subscribed for Vladimir's services, also we have to import.
Import. You will not lose anything. So you will be ready. If he subscribed, the key will be there. If he didn't subscribe, it will not affect anything. Got it? Because he doesn't have access already to the system and he didn't ask for a report, so it's okay. So first thing, we will access BI01. and we will place the key here outside. We will access BI3 and we'll place it here outside also. The other two servers, DBI SQL01 and DBI SQL02. I will access the servers one by one. To import the key, there is administrator, specific administrator, not normal user like Muhammad or Rakesh or Ali or whatever. There is a specific user account to access with it. That's why يعني Rafiq to access and import the key, Rafiq has to add this service for you, because the only administrator on that one, this is configured like this by DMB side. So Rafiq has to add those two services to your services, to BAM service. So we'll access the server using this user, this service account. If you access with my user, it will not work. You have to access with this service. Start, CMD, right click, run as administrator. Go to C drive direct. Okay. Then we'll go to CD bank keys. This is the folder which contain all keys for our subscribers. PGP/list dash keys. Okay. Here, if we go to the all steps are here, okay? Copy subscriber BGP key from the FTP, paste it in the mentioned servers above. Which servers? BI, well, sorry, this one should be 3. 1 and 2, okay? Access the mentioned.
The PGP key is from the subscriber side, right?
بالضبط.
Okay.
Yes. And once I send the BGP manual to the subscriber, he will start creating the BGP key from his side. Then he will place it on the FTP. I will go to the FTP and take it copy from the FTP and place it on those full servers, direct on the C drive. Okay. Then I will start doing those steps. Okay, open CMD with administrator, apply command CD bank keys, apply command PGP import. Okay, but in our case, this key already exists and the customer changed it. So we have to remove the old one first, then import the new one.
We have to remove it from the 4 servers, right?
Yes. We will do the same steps on the other servers. But mainly, this is whatever I wrote here. This is for a new subscriber. The only difference if there is a new, if there is the subscriber change his key or the existing key, we have to remove first the old one and place the new one. Okay. So now we are in the server here. This is how to list the key itself to know what keys we have here. This is all keys which we have. Now we want to remove the key for 2174. That one. I will take copy from this serial. I would go here. The command is pgp double dash remove space the serial. Look here, the key is we have 106 keys. After removing this and it gives you successfully removed, you will do again PGP list key to check how many keys we have. Now it's 105. Now it's totally removed. Okay. We will go here to the C drive because now we are on banks folder and we place the key here outside. Copy or cut and we'll go to bank keys. Paste and replace the old one. Okay. Now we'll take copy from that one. Here now we will import as mentioned here in the steps dash import. This is an example. Subscriber ID underscore the short name. PGP dash import .esc. It will give you this one is created and whatever. If we check the list again, it's back again to 106. Now it's fully imported, the new key, nothing more to be done. This is the first server. Can you tell me, Rakesh, how I'll do? Guide me.
CD backslash. Go to the CD bank keys. Now we have to list out the keys. PGP space hyphen list keys. Yes. Now we need to find the key 2174. PGP space hyphen remove keys. Now again, we need to go to the C drive and copy the file to the bank folder. And we need to copy the name.
Raouf, why don't we just copy and paste there? It will not work.
It has to be imported in the PGP software itself.
Hmm.
Now it's copy just on folders, but inside the PGP itself, it has to be imported.
Imported.
Yes.
Replace destination. Then now we have to import the key. And import. in the file name.asc. Mr. Raouf, we have in other system 106 keys, but here we have 109 keys.
Maybe there is alt keys here I didn't remove before.
Good.
But mainly focus on one. Whatever in one should be on the others, because all the time one is working. If there is something missing, subscriber will complain. For sure, there is we delete something from here, alt key or something, and we didn't delete from the other server. That's why first thing you have to open all 4 servers to not forget. Now we are done with the server blade system. We will go now to Vladimir system. We have here DBI SQL. Look, one with my account and one with the service account, CII BGP services. We will access to that for 01 and 02. Same steps, same everything. Here totally, because the system it's different keys. It should be less than this. All subscribers maybe like less than 10 subscribers. So you should see here, but we add most of subscribers. So in case. I believe 2174 is not here. So we can add it direct. But we have to go first and yes. Look how many subscribers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It depends. You can add it from my side. I suggest to add it and forget it. In case they subscribe, it will be ready for you. No need to do all this again. Okay, guys. Now the FTP is done, BGP is done. The full process is totally done. Why it's 2 times? Last step is to send official email to CS team that the connection with the new subscriber is fully established and they can access the FTP. So they will start, or the from their side they enable something from their side to start counting the grace period for uploading the files on daily basis. Because there is one rule, like if the customer didn't upload the files within 2 or 3 days, they will pay 400 KD per day. Okay, this is related to the BGP and FTP. What else? Which topic you want to talk about?
Raouf, I think enough for today. We can continue tomorrow. What do you think, guys? The rest of the IT team? Rafiq, Abdul Wahab, Salman,
Yeah, okay, no problem.
Rakesh. Yeah, want to
Sure.
continue tomorrow better?
Yeah, sure.
Yes, yeah, tomorrow.
Tomorrow, yeah. رؤوف يعطيك العافية،
الله
مشكور
يعافيك.
ما
لا والله
قصرت،
حبيبي،
وسامحنا
على راسي.
أديناك يا
لا
حبيبي.
لا، على راسي على راسي. Most
حبيبي
welcome.
حبيبي
Most welcome.
حبيبي مع
Okay.
السلامة.
Bye bye.
Oh. On our side, when we give the route initial
About the router which you have, only thing, nothing to do. Totally nothing. And I can show you how to troubleshoot. The connection is fine. How to tell net the flow. One subscriber not working. First they access the router. Router is reachable. Router is fine. Maybe it's reachable, but silent service is not working. I'll show you how to troubleshoot, how to telnet the silent service. Once you be able to telnet, so everything is fine. So the customer has to check from his side. Nothing to do. This is the first troubleshoot. Nice. For the ISP, maybe your access the router is not working. She's hacked. You can tell him reboot the server, reboot the 4G router. If it's hacked the first time, if he reboot and sometimes he reboot and didn't work. Sometimes he has to remove the SIM card and push it back again and it will work. Sometimes I'm doing this kind of thing just to save the time. Please check this. If he able to access the SIM card remotely and do the troubleshoot, he will do it. Otherwise, he will send the engineer direct to the site agent. Nothing to be done from your side. I base everything, as I told you from the beginning, you take already the subnet from that sheet and you send it to the ISP. Please connect on the point with this plan subnet for the subscriber and this. Yes. But it already had those IPs already on the line. Just to confirm what happened. Okay. Because the IP which is not active, usually he disable on the firewall. Okay. You have to tell him so he can enable the firewall. What's for 3 and 22. Yes. And he needs our PGP key also? Yes. Okay. That's why the PGP key is this template by default. You will access and see it. He will take it and import it from his side, so he can use it. So I will have to share my PGP key. Yes. Yes. Sign in PGP. I will share my key. I will share my key, and he will share his key.
SAN and PGP key is same for every subscriber?
Yes. No. One key. Just to encrypt, that's it.
Point one?